Well, today we're down at Port Elliot in the beautiful beachside town, just off the Esplanade. We've literally got the sea just 50 meters, waves crashing just over there. We're about to transform a section of this home. We're gonna update it. We're gonna redo the facade. It's gonna be beautiful. We've got some amazing things that are gonna take place. Let's come check it out. So we're completely transforming basically one room, which is this current rooftop deck, and we're gonna rip up the floor. We're gonna demolish sections of this wall. We're gonna cut through all the area over there. It's gonna go. The stairwell's gonna be completely demolished. We're gonna try to save, not try, but we will save that French oak floor. We've got to protect that. The roof's coming off. And basically we're gonna have a whole new structure. It's gonna be, curves are in, as they're saying at the moment. So curves are quite popular. We've got a curved roof with a curved ceiling. And we've got a curved Aurora fireplace that's gonna hang about here. It's gonna hang off the structural steel frame that we've got going in. It's gonna be beautiful. We've got some really large windows just to take in that expansive view. Over in this corner, we're gonna have a bit of a timber bench with a sliding window with obviously a screen for safety that, you know, you'll be able to sit at and have a few drinks and take in the breeze and really get into the atmosphere that living down by Port Elliot provides on the Esplanade here on the beach. So the other aspect thing that we're going to do is change the facade of the rear of this building. If you ask me, the facade is a bit I would say it's always subjective, but it's a bit ugly. It looks a bit like a castle. It's got those, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got some little holes coming through there that are quite ugly, if you ask me. So we're gonna be completely changing that, modernizing it. We're gonna be cladding it in a nail strip cladding. We're gonna install it horizontal, which is something that most people probably wouldn't have seen before. So that's gonna really make this facade unique. It's gonna transform it from the street, and it's also going to change it from the view that you get from the beach as well. So we're hoping that this project takes us about 12 weeks. So we're on a tight, it's only one room, 12 weeks, start to finish. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing. I mean, what a view, what a location, what a job. We're setting an ambitious time frame of 12 weeks from start to finish, from demolition to roofs on. We've got curves happening, we've got Aurora fireplace hanging from the ceiling. This job is gonna be epic. This is the first of a 3-part video series. Stay tuned because we've got more to come. It's gonna be amazing. Welcome back to Port Elliot. We're mid-build. We had a roofer booked in and he dropped out.
Don't tell everyone.
We all know now.